George Washington Carver was born sometime around 1864 near Diamond Grove, Missouri. He was born into slavery. He was freed after the American Civil War, but lived on his former owner's plantation until age 10 or 12. This is when he learned to draw and became interested in plants and animals. Around 12 years old, he left home to work and then pursued an education. Later, he attended Iowa State Agricultural College in Ames, Iowa. He earned his bachelor's degree in agriculture in 1894 and earned a master's degree in 1896. Carver's achievements with plants got the attention of Booker T. Washington, who founded the Tuskegee Institute. In 1896, Carver became head of the Agriculture Department at the Tuskegee Institute in Alabama. He worked at Tuskegee for the rest of his career. In those 47 years, Carver created hundreds of useful products from peanuts and sweet potatoes alone. Carver won worldwide respect for his work as a scientist. He found new ways to process peanuts, soybeans, and sweet potatoes. He helped to make these become important crops in the South. He died on January 5, 1943 in Tuskegee, Alabama. He was buried on the Tuskegee campus. George Washington Carver's birthplace was dedicated as a national monument.